So today I'll be showing you how to connect a USB flash drive to your Galaxy A27. So let's say you want to transfer some items or some files, photos or videos from the phone to the USB flash drive, then you have to connect it first. Now the way you connect mainly depends on what kind of flash drive you have. You might have one of these older traditional hard drives with a type A connector. For this one, you're gonna need an OTG adapter like this one. So the OTG adapter basically has a type C connector which goes into your phone, and this type A female where you plug in your USB flash drive. So you can use that to connect. Now, if you have one of these modern USB flash drives, which I highly recommend, like this one from SanDisk, this is a 256 gig flash drive, and it has type A on one end, and you can slide it to type C on the other end, which makes it very versatile, and you can use it on any computer, any phone, any laptop, any smart TV, literally any device because of its versatility. So I'm going to show you this with an older USB flash drive because I'm assuming at this point, at the point of making this video, this is what most people have. So you're going to simply connect to the adapter, and then the adapter with the flash drive to the phone. All right. So once you connect, there's not going to be any pop-up on the screen. What you're going to see is a notification telling you that a USB storage device has been added. So to access it, simply go to the Files app. It's going to be in the Samsung folder, beg your pardon. And once you open the Files app in the Samsung folder, you will see internal storage. So that's going to be the storage for your phone. And then you will see USB storage. Okay, so you tap on that, and then now you can see the files and folders inside the USB flash drive. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.